Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Epidemic Sound's licensing setup and video timelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Epidemic Sound licensing setup in your video timelines, begin by navigating to the Epidemic Sound web. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Music tab on the main menu. Click on Music to browse the available music library. Use the search bar to find specific tracks or explore different genres and moods. When you find a track you like, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can listen to a preview of the track to ensure it fits your project. If you decide to use the track, select the Add to Project button. Next, you'll need to select your project from the drop-down menu. If you don't have a project set up yet, create a new one by clicking on Create New Project. After adding the track to your project, navigate to open your video timeline where you want to incorporate the selected track. Import the Epidemic soundtrack to your video editing software. Place the track in the appropriate position within your timeline. To ensure proper licensing, go back to the Epidemic Sound platform. Download the license certificate for your selected track from your project dashboard. This certificate acts as proof of your right to use the music. Once downloaded, store the license certificate in a safe location. After finalizing your video, export it as usual. Your project is now ready for upload with the proper licensing in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.